What does the dishwasher and butter have to do with Norwex rags? I'm going to show you. I want to show you how amazing these rags are. Yes, I just smeared butter on my dishwasher. So what I have here is a warm rag out of the kitchen sink and smears, right? Butter. That's gross. So I could re-rinse the rag, keep washing, and change, but look, I'm just smearing butter. Now, I could take the first rag, this is the window cloth from Norwex. I'm not even kidding, guys. It grabbed a hold of the butter. Done. I'll go from different angles, prove to you. And I'll stand up. So let's rinse this because I'm going to take you over to the refrigerator. I'm not going to rinse it but for a minute. I'm not even going to give the water time to heat up. I am going to rinse this a little bit longer. This was a clean rag, by the way. I've been spring cleaning, so I'm going to sit these rags over here on my stool. And again, I'm just smearing it. And I'll try harder this time. But I'm gonna have to go rinse this rag even to finish the butter on the door. I'm gonna take the Enviro cloth again, or the window cloth, excuse me. I only did a smidge with the regular dish rag, and I smeared. No butter. You cannot, other than where my finger has been. Guys, if you've never purchased these Norwex cleaning rags, then you're missing out. I do my shower doors with these, I do my mirrors with these, and now I'm just buffing. Let's see. I got some boo-boos there. And then I will just take this cloth every now and then, run it up and down, and get fingerprints off of my stainless steel. Done. No grease, no nothing. My hand's warm. But, and just wipe the fingerprints right off. Easy peasy. Looks great. So, if you've never purchased these Norwex rags, you can. My daughter sells them if you're interested. I can give you her information. I swear by these rags. This is the window cleaning cloth. This is the Enviro cloth. I have different sets. Window cloth, Enviro cloth. I always try to get, I don't try to ever get the window and the Enviro cloths the same color. That way when I'm using them, I know the window cloths are purple. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm not actually kidding. And there's the dishwasher. These things are amazing, guys. I use them everywhere, and I love them on my stainless steel. Quick, easy, fingerprints off. Keep them in the kitchen. They actually make like a rack with kitchen cloths, and if you've got someone coming over, you can easily, quickly kind of wipe the smudges off, especially if you have kids. And that way, if you have company, it just cleans everything so nicely. So I hope that, and I have those sitting out because I dried the dishes, but guys, love these. Love these. I have been in the dishwasher right now are my light fixtures. I threw them in there to clean them, and I will wipe down all of the fingerprints and dust and things off the light fixtures. Guys, I'm telling you, these are amazing. And I use them on the glass on my doors. I use them to clean smudges and things off, and glassware. If you have any, if you have your stemware and they have water spots, you can take that cleaning, the glass cloth, the purple one, wet it down just very little, wipe them down, take smudges, watermarks, everything off of them. They're amazing. So I'm going to jump off here, guys. I really hope that you like the cloths. Please give them a try. I don't sell Norwex. I'm not benefiting anything from this. This is not a sponsored video. I just love the product. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.